Here's how Coca-Cola is made in the modern era, start to finish. You'll see the full process right now.
Bring that pallet to the left bay, carefully now.
Roger that. Moving it slowly.
Pallet 24 needs to be loaded first. Make sure the manifest matches the crates.
Filtration line C, pressure holding steady at 20 psi.
Copy that. Moving to station 4.
All right, bring it back easy now. Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, hold it right there. Clear to go, driver. See you later.